Alrighty, so we're talking day 4. I'm sorry, part 2, day 6. Starting to lose track here. Anyway, we're finishing up the aerosol can hood restoration on this 1998 Toyota Corolla VE. Okay, and I should throw in here, it has over 318,000 miles. Anyway, we're using this Duplicolor Perfect Match original Toyota Corolla colors. Alright. Trying to work with less than optimal conditions. At least it's not raining, and nor is it snowing. So anyway, I got a little bit left here of this can. I'm just gonna kind of miscoat it here. Kind of do a light mist coverage. I'm very happy with the way this color has worked out. Very happy with it. It has exceeded my expectations once again. Duplicolor has lived up to its name. And like I said, you know, I did a lot of, I concentrated heavily on prep work on this thing. Heavily on prepping. I mean, shoot. Hours of prep. Probably 6 hours of prep. The secret I found is you gotta do quick, tight patterns and move that hand quick. Keep it quick, keep it moving, and you'll be all right. Hey, man, can't complain, my friend. Gotta keep it quick, gotta keep it moving, and you'll be okay. Yep. All she wrote for this can. All she wrote. Alrighty. So that's it right there for the drone. I'm very satisfied right now. I'll be moving on to clear coat. Let this sit up for 15 minutes or so. And I'll move on to clear coat. And I'll show you what it looks like. So, and yeah, this is in the shade, of course. But moving to the shade was a good decision. I'm just kind of looking over my work. Yeah. Hopefully it's fair to middling. Meaning average. A little bit above average for a spray can job. I could probably concentrate on there are probably some areas that I probably missed, but you know, that will come with practice. Because as I step back and look at it, I can see kind of a little bit of stripe pattern going on here and there, but well, we'll let it dry. I'll let it dry up for 30 minutes. I don't know, I'm just acting crazy now. The sun's got me. We'll just let it dry. We'll go from there. Just say 15 to 30 minutes. Let this sit up. Go right in the clear, and then I'll call it a day, and we'll call some more videos on it later. Alrighty, well, this is AbleCraft. If I can do it, you guys can do it better. You guys could just stick with it, and I know that with practice you may get close to perfect one day in that elusive quest of manual competence.